Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are basically going to look at how you can make your turkeys laying monsters and also convert these eggs into chicks such that you increase on your numbers, be able to realize economic sense out of your turkey farming. So it all begins with having a very good and conducive turkey structure. A turkey structure should have a proper ventilation, basically to allow free airflow and to ensure that actually your turkeys are free from respiratory diseases. Then the other second key factor that you need to consider is actually feeding. You need to make sure that actually your turkeys, especially female turkeys, which are of age, are fed on a balanced diet. A diet actually which is high in protein and also particularly high in calcium. Basically, this will ensure that actually when your turkeys give you eggs, the eggs have strong shells and they will not easily break. Then the other key aspect is that actually you should prepare for your turkeys which are about to lay very good nesting boxes. The nesting boxes should actually have very soft material like cotton wool, which will actually give your laying turkeys a very conducive environment for laying. Also ensure that actually your female turkeys which are about to lay and generally your entire flock has access to clean water. This will basically make sure that actually your turkeys are hydrated, and thereafter you will be able to realize considerable laying and considerable number of eggs from. So once the eggs have been laid, you can either take them to the incubator or use natural incubation. For us here, we use natural incubation. We allow our female turkeys to sit on their eggs. This takes about 28 days before the eggs are hatched into poults. Now, once the poults have been, once you have poults on the farm, you basically need to have a brooding section. A brooding section is basically meant to prevent extreme weather conditions from actually impacting on your poults. So for us, we basically use plywood. This is a local available material. So we just carve a section in the turkey house with a plywood to basically protect the poults from extreme weather conditions, especially coldness. Another important factor that you should take care of is avoiding what we call stress. Your laying turkeys should not be stressed, confined. Too much confinement will actually make your laying turkeys stressed, and that will certainly affect their laying capability, and of course lead to low laying rates. Another factor that can cause stress is basically too much heat. So make sure that actually your turkey house is properly ventilated to ensure free flow of air, and that will reduce on the stress levels of your turkeys, and particularly help your laying turkeys to be able to lay without missing days. Another key factor that will basically reduce on the stress levels of your turkeys is basically providing them with roosting facilities. Turkeys usually love to roost, so you need to provide roosting facilities for your turkeys. These are basically utilized by the turkeys to rest, and this assures that actually your turkeys are free of stress, and this will enable them give you better laying rates. Other than that, we have also discovered that you need to allow your turkeys get out of the confinement. Usually, actually, confinement is also one of the things that will actually cause stress to the turkeys. So it's very important to allow your turkeys get out of their turkey house, freely move around, scavenge for insects, scavenge for grass. This will actually basically ensure that they are healthy and they are able to lay without any hindrance. Free range, or allowing turkeys to get out of the coop and freely move around, exercise, will basically reduce on their stress level, and way it will also help you to achieve the laying rates that you desire. So basically, these are some of the key things that you need to take care of if you realize considerable laying rates from your turkeys. Thank you for listening to me. In case you have any comments, kindly put them in the comment section, and would love to respond to them. Or you have an area for which you want us to produce a video, kindly highlight it in the comment section, and we shall be able to um, prepare a video in response to it. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the viewing.